Hi guys, in this video we will learn about if-else statement in C#. So let's get started. This is another form of the if statement that tests a particular condition. If the condition evaluates to true, a course of action is followed. That is, a statement or a block of statements is executed. If the condition evaluates to false, another course of action is executed. So this time on the false condition, there is another set of statements that are executed. So if we look at the flowchart of if-else statement, so here the condition is being evaluated. If the condition is true, then statement 1 is executed and the program execution continues. However, if the condition evaluates to false, statement 2 is executed and the program execution continues. And here is the syntax of the if-else statement. It starts with the if keyword and in parenthesis you specify the condition. So if the condition evaluates to true, statement 1 is executed, and if the condition evaluates to false, then it goes to the else part and statement 2 is executed. Remember that in an if-else statement, only the code associated with the if, which is the statement 1, or the code associated with else, which is statement 2, executes, but never both. So either this statement will be executed or this statement will be executed. So continuing with the previous problem, so let's try to modify the problem which we discussed in the previous video where we computed the net price. So we will write a program to compute the net price of an item. Again, we will read the sale price from the console and apply the following computations. So if the sale price is above 100, then we will apply a discount of 10%. Otherwise, apply a discount of 5%. So if the sales price is above 100, then we apply 10% discount. Otherwise, we apply a discount of 5%. Again, we will apply a sales tax of 5% on all sales. So let us quickly go to the program as we did for the previous video. So if I just declare two double variables, one is sales tax, which is 5%, and another double variable net price to hold the value of the net price. And on the console, we write the message, enter sales price, and we read the value from the console, convert it into a double value, and assign it to the sale price. So if we code the statement now, it would look like this. If in the bracket sale price is greater than 100, then we apply a discount of 10%. So this is sale price into 10 divided by 100. So that will be 10% discount. Else it will apply a discount of 5%. If we compute the net price after applying the sales tax, which will be the 5%, and we can display the value on the console and finally wait for the read key. So let us quickly run this program. So it is asking us to enter the sales price. So if I enter say 150, so it has applied 10% discount and it has given us a price. And if I execute it again with a value say 100, this time it has given us the net price of 99.75 because it has applied 5% discount, and after that it has added the 5% sales tax, and that's the net price. As we did in our previous video, can we use the ternary operator for this thing? Of course, yes. So let's quickly do that. And in order to do that, first of all, we will save our sale price because we have changed it here, so we will use this in the ternary operator. And if I just copy paste some code to save some typing time, so here we are checking sale price is greater than 100. If yes, so after question mark we are applying a 10% discount and deducting it from the sale price. Otherwise, in the false condition, we are applying 5% discount, and whether true or false, it will be assigned to the sales price. Save, and then we can calculate the net price based on the sales price say variable and apply a sales tax of 5%. And if we print this value as net price 2, so call it net price 1. And if we try to run this program now, we just want to make sure that our net price 1 and net price 2 they match. So again, if I type a value of 150, say 0.5 this time, and it has calculated net price 1, net price 2 based on two methods which are exactly matching. And if I type a value which is less than 100, say 85, and it has given me this price after applying 5% discount. So this is our if-else statement. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video. In the next video, we'll discuss if-else-if control structure. Thank you.